Let's take a look at the Soul F85, one of our elite in-home treadmills. With a space-saving design, it's been called the strongest folding treadmill on the planet. It couples our ultra-durable double horseshoe welded steel deck with our Cushion Flex Whisper Deck suspension system that reduces impact up to 40%, and it's propelled by the most powerful motor we offer. And when you're done, our Easy Assist folding design makes it simple to fold up and roll out of the way. With the push of a button, you can take a run designed by fitness experts to help you burn fat, boost cardio, or improve endurance. Handle-mounted buttons help you stay in control, and the large, colorful screen keeps you focused on your goals. The redesigned console has extra features to keep you energized, refreshed, and hydrated. Use the built-in Bluetooth to connect your smartphone or tablet to track your workouts over time and upload them to many of the top fitness apps. And because it's built by Soul, you can trust it for years of fitness. Get the full list of features, specifications, and more at our website. Then experience the extraordinary build and performance of the Soul F85.
Challenge yourself to achieve the health and fitness results you've always wanted with the superior performance of the Pro 2000 treadmill from ProForm. The Pro 2000 is iFit enabled. Use the vibrant 7-inch smart high-definition touchscreen and gain access to iFit's extensive library of exercises, all designed by certified personal trainers. Just pick your coach or destination and enjoy your workout as your treadmill automatically adjusts the speed and incline to match your chosen route. The world is at your fingertips. Driven by a dynamic 3.5 continuous horsepower motor, delivering the power required to achieve all your fitness goals. Adjust the speed all the way up to 12 miles per hour and easily adjust the decline and incline between -3% to 15%, all with the push of a button. The innovative ProShocks cushioning system is designed to help you stay comfortable during longer workouts. And with the spacious 22 by 60-inch deck, run confidently with your natural full strides. And stay cool and fresh with the Cool Air workout fan. Plug your devices into the audio port or connect them via Bluetooth and enjoy your music delivered through a pair of powerful 3-inch Bluetooth speakers. Keep track of your heartbeat with the in-handle EKG grips. This sturdy frame is designed to accommodate up to 300 pounds. At ProForm, we stand behind our products. The treadmill comes with a lifetime frame and motor warranty, 5 years for parts, and a 2-year warranty for labor. Experience the professional design and state-of-the-art technology millions of satisfied customers have come to rely upon. Experience the Pro 2000 treadmill from ProForm.
Getting C1750 treadmill from NordicTrack.
ASSAULTRUNNER Pro Treadmill, brand Assault Fitness. Color black frame, charcoal. Product dimensions 70DX33WX64H. Item weight 280 pounds. Material alloy steel. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. Special feature portable. Number of programs 8. Included components ASSAULTRUNNER Pro Treadmill. Meter type speed, heart rate, time distance, burns more calories than motorized treadmills. Low impact design reduces risk of injury. Onboard programs that target time, calories, distance, speed, watts, pace, heart rate, Bluetooth, and AT+ connectivity. Easy on the environment, runs on your energy with zero electrical consumption. Optimal for all types of training. Maximum user weight, 350 pounds.
Think treadmills haven't changed over the years? Think again. The Bowflex Treadmill 22 is the top-of-the-line cardio experience that connects you with world-class incline control, streaming entertainment, and our secret sauce, the Journey experience, offering an epic array of personalized features from an immersive 22-inch console. The Journey digital fitness platform is designed to keep you challenged for a long time, years, decades, and it's all from the comfort of your living room. A Journey membership keeps your runner's high going, allowing you to explore something new and personalized every day of the week, right from the HD touchscreen. Sprint through adaptive running workouts that get harder as you get fitter. Hightail it with trainer-led videos that don't scream at you. Crush new and evolving goals with a clever virtual coach that inspires your every move. Dash through scenic destinations around the planet and track your progress with metrics, rewards, and personal bests. If you can't decide between workouts and entertainment, don't. Now you can do both. A Journey membership allows you to binge shows and more on the HD touchscreen while putting in the day's work. The Journey experience layers personalized adaptive workouts alongside your existing Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus accounts. You supply the subscription, we provide the magic. Head for the hills with the best incline capabilities. 5% decline, all the way up to 20% incline. Extended handlebar grips are specifically designed for high incline workouts, so you can take the high road or the low. Walk, jog, or mad dash at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. A 22 by 60 inch running pad features Comfort Tech deck cushioning. In-reach handrail controls allow you to change speed and incline without breaking your stride. The media rack holds your phone or tablet, while the built-in USB port keeps your devices fully juiced. A 22-inch console immerses you in all the amazing things the Treadmill 22 has to offer. After your workout, the 22 folds up nicely to maximize space for the other things in your life. When you're ready for your next workout, soft drop folding technology provides a gentle descent every time. With connectivity, variety, and personalized workouts at your fingertips, you'll have everything you need to reach success. The Bowflex Treadmill 22. It's a runner's high you won't want to miss.